Good morning, good afternoon, third and fourth graders. We are going to continue on with social studies this week. We have one more lesson today. Then we are going to have 2 days to review chapter 11 together, and then you are going to be taking the test at the end of this week. Okay, we are starting on page 410. The lesson is on telling the difference between fact and opinion. Okay, so it says, this matters to make good decisions because you need to know when a message is telling you the facts. Okay, many advertisements include both facts and opinions. A fact is a true statement. It can be proved. So if you had a test or look into it or something like that, you'd be able to get the information for it. An opinion is a person's belief. Opinions may be supported by facts, but they can't be proven. So that would be like saying that I had the best recipe for brownies than anybody else. There's really no way to for sure prove that, because that's my opinion that I think they are the best. But if I said my sweatshirt is red, that's fact. You can prove it by looking at it and knowing it's red. Okay? So the advertisement that you're going to see right here and is in your book right now is something we're going to take a look at because it has both fact and opinion in that advertisement. Okay, so some of it says right at the top, talk with your friends anytime with this amazing cell phone. So you need to think about what is that telling you? Is that a fact? Is that an opinion? What words in there would maybe tell you one way or the other? So there could be a certain amount of fact with that because cell phones normally would allow you to talk to your friends at any time, but the word amazing is an opinion because that's not necessarily something you can prove that it is an amazing thing. It says it's better than any other cell phone. Well, we could maybe look into that to prove it, but it's more of an opinion than fact. People can talk from any distance. So that would be something that would be a fact because they would have been able to prove that. It glows in the dark. It is small enough to fit in your pocket. So again, things that you could prove. You could take it and you could stick it in a pocket and prove that. Once you use one, you won't be able to live without it. It comes in many different colors. So there's two parts to that. The first part, you won't be able to live without it, is more of an opinion because that's kind of up to the person who has it, whether they feel like they could live without it or not. But if it says it comes in many different colors, well, that is true, that it does come in many different colors because you would be able to see the evidence of it when you go to the store to look at it. So this advertisement is a very typical example of what you might see out there when you're looking for products. Some things might say both a fact and an opinion on it because they're trying to get you to buy it. So they want it to sound really great. And yes, there might be facts that tell you it's really great, but a lot of times there's also opinion because they really want you to purchase their product. Okay, what you are going to be doing is going onto Google Classroom. I found a worksheet that I copied onto there that asks you to tell the difference between fact and opinion. So you're going to go ahead and work on that. All right, see you tomorrow.